Hello everyone, I'm Cadet OC Callahan Armstrong, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken wrap. So the ingredients we need include 2 cups cooked grilled chicken breasts, chopped and seasoned however you like, 1/4 cup of ranch dressing, half a cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, 1/4 cup of cilantro minced, and 4 8-inch tortillas. So first I'm going to be cooking the chicken breasts, and I will be flavoring them how I like, and you can flavor them however you like. So first I'm going to pour a little bit of olive oil onto the pan. Just lay it on there. I just added some salt and pepper and some onion powder and some paprika. You guys can do whatever you like. Okay, now we're gonna flip it over. Woohoo. Just gonna go like this. I'm gonna get a plate. Here's the plate. Alright, while the other side's cooking, I'm gonna season this side. It smells so good. Paprika. When this is done cooking, I'm going to put it on the cutting board and then cut it up and put it into this 1 cup measurement and see how full it is, because we need 2 cups of the meat. Go ahead and cut this up and see how much meat it gives me, like cup-wise. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the cup. I think I was right when I assumed I would need 2 chicken breasts. Salt it, but I'm gonna do a little bit more because the other chicken came out a little bland. Pepper it. Oh, it smells good. Same thing to the other side. Salt, pepper. Salt. We need to flavor this really quick. Time to cut it. So, finished cutting those. I'm gonna add them to here. We're done with that. Now, onto the assembly of the chicken wraps. I recommend having another plate nearby so you can put the completed chicken wraps there. When we're assembling it, you're gonna need different measurements. So the first step is to put half a cup of chicken onto the tortilla. Then we're going to put 1 tablespoon of ranch. Now we're going to take 2 tablespoons of cheese. I'm going to use a 1/2 tablespoon measurement and just do 4 scoops of a 1/2 tablespoon. And then we take a tablespoon of minced cilantro. So I went ahead and just chopped it like a little bit more. That way you don't have to like chop it every time. Those were all the ingredients we need for one of them. So just gonna like wrap it in a burrito. So to do that, I fold in, and I want to do this one tighter than the little ones we made in the beginning. So there's your little, mini burrito. I'm gonna set that aside on the other plate. We do the exact same thing. Just kind of work it so it's like mixed in a little bit. It's burrito number 2. So I'm just going to kind of mix it in together. Fold the top and the bottom in, and then tightly fold the sides in. Number 3. Last one. I'm gonna mince a little bit more cilantro. Alright, I finished mincing the cilantro. Chicken wrap number 4. Here I have all 4 chicken wraps, and we're going to heat them up on the stove to make them just a little crispy, and then they are ready to eat. Now we're going to go ahead and cook the chicken wraps just a little bit. So first we're going to put just a little bit of oil, and I'm going to put it on medium heat, and then we're going to cook the wraps for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. I grabbed another plate for the wraps, and then also have a knife nearby so you can cut the wraps in half when they're done cooking. Alright, here we go. I have a 1.5 minute timer set, and I'll be using that to know when I should flip it over. Last one. Now we're gonna cut them open and eat them. So now we have the 4 chicken wraps. Just gonna go ahead and Alright guys, these are the completed chicken wraps. I'm gonna try them and let you know if I like them. I really like them. I think they're really good. I've never cooked before, like anything at all. So I think I did pretty well for this one. A few hiccups, but we made it through, and I really like the way the ranch tastes. And yeah, so I hope you guys really like it. My contact info will be at the end of the video in case you have any questions or comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching.